I was still up in Eaton Park. I'm up by the rock. Yeah, it was laid in remembrance to Pope John Paul II, 1982. Yeah, I remember my mum came. She said it was amazing. Thousands and thousands of people here in Eaton Park. You can see over my shoulder. It wasn't an empty place. Thousands of people came to see Pope John Paul II. There's just too much. I'm not even scratching the surface of the history of Eaton Park. The trails and the bike riding alone is just second to none. It's just right there on my doorstep. I wish more people would get more use out of it. Sunny days, parks, Race for Life, good cancer research is on today. It's great stuff. Well, hopefully on my next video, I'm going to do some urban riding through Manchester city centre. Hopefully we'll bump into a few of the characters. Hopefully bump into some of you YouTubers out there. Right, catch you in a little while. See you later.